Hey, this is a quick video where you can learn how to download free premium audio from Murf.ai. Uh, Murf is text-to-speech content, so you can create a project and you can translate the text to voice, or you can make video and everything else. So here we are on free plan, and okay, let's get started. Let's create a project from the beginning. And we want to create an audio video. You can start with blank, create a project. We need a lorem ipsum text, so just to put there. We can put the text here. We can choose demonstrate that where you want. Let's pick this. And now what you can do, I need to lower the volume. We don't want YouTube to track this. Okay, now what we can do is we can click this button here, so it will build a preview. So let's wait until the preview will be built. Okay, please update it. So we have ready to play this, but we don't have to click this now. What you have to do now is right click and go to inspect elements. From here go to source, go to network, and we have click all. So network all. What you have to do now is this: click the play preview.
Lorem ipsum is simply
starts.
dummy text of the printing.
And we have to pause this. Now, one method is you can find here. This is the output video. If you right here, opening new,
Lorem ipsum is simply.
this is the audio. Where can we find next? We can go to media. As you can see here, we have here as well. Same thing, we can open this in new.
Lorem ipsum is
right. So from here, what we can do, we can go to 3 dots and hit download. And the output is downloaded. So now we have the voice generated from here. This is the build preview, because this one can build all this, because we can create another blog, another blog, another blog. Because if you want to make a dialogue with another.
In this module, we're gonna dive into the unique
way,
features that make serve.
You can have. So let's demonstrate this. We can do that. So we have one person here, another person here, with another text, a dialogue. So that's all. Now you know how to download free premium audio from Murf.ai. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.